from this. To 11 surgeries and 6 weeks in hospital, all I could think about was... You're on too. Alright, we got... Oh, I lost mine. I'm an idiot. I pulled mine out of your head.
I think I lost this one too.
Yeah, you did too. I think you baited you.
Oh.
There was a double hookup going on there. Oh! I got excited. It was my first fish for the day. Anyway, it's time to make a plan and we'll get out of here. Then after 4 months sitting at home, not being able to drive or get anywhere, starting to go a bit mad, or send myself a bit mad as well, so it's time for the next plan. Phone a mate, get him to come pick you up and get back on the water. Alright, we're heading down there now. The river's not going to fish that well because of all the rain we've had over Christmas. So there's a lot of fresh in the river. Plus Warragamba Dam's they've been letting some water out of there, so a lot of fresh coming down the system. So what I'm going to do today is basically focus on finding the fish. So what I'll do there to find them, I'm going to look for a couple of signs. I'm going to look for the surface. I want to see mullet, then I want to see jellyfish. So basically in between the two, you should find fish most of the time. So that's what I'm going to focus on today. I don't care about the size of the fish. I just want to find out where they are, catch a few, and then work on from there, and then come back down a couple of days and fish the same tide, and we start getting some quality stuff out of there then. So finding the fish where they're sitting, and then work on the spots that you know on the river where the fish are situated now because of the fresh water in the river, and then fish that area, and you should start getting some quality fish. So don't worry about quality first, just worry about finding the fish, and then quality will come every time. First, that's got some weight to it too. That's a nice soapy. Really? That's a better start.
A better soapy than the last.
Yeah.
We got the other.
I'll just get him on camera there. What is he, about 50 or something, is he?
Yeah, just a baby.
He's a baby, but he's better. We're finding some good water. How'd you go, mate? You get him?
Yeah, got another one. Yeah.
Beautiful. Is it the same size?
Yeah, another baby.
Oh, fuck. Hopefully they'll get a bit bigger. Yeah, well, just look at it. He's only a little bugger. He's only tiny, but better start. We've found him anyway. He's got a little bit of grunting about him. So hopefully we'll get a few more. Now we want to just upsize. So we'll put a couple of big baits out now behind the prawns, and we'll get one. Happy days. There you go. Right, so what we're doing here, we've caught a few with prawns now, so what I'm going to do now is just put a livey up behind the prawns. I'll just stick this one behind its head. Little herring this is, so I'm going to stick it now behind our prawns that we've got under the boat. Flap it there, and now we know there's fish here. Save on our live bait. Stick it out behind you. You've got another bite there. We've got two on here. Oh shit, mate. While we're here, I'll just get this one. I'll get it in for you. You're on there. Hey. I had a bite. There's another. This is a better fish too. I'll look at it. Or is it just that fucking flimsy little rod?
Nah, it's just a little rod.
He baited me.
Buddy,
they're nailing us. They're freaking nailing us. The prawn feast. The friggin' prawn thief, he got me. Another one. What's that one? That's about... We just need to upgrade. Oh no, so I'll just get him. They seem to be right there. Hopefully that bloody live bait will go off. Upgrade, then we'll upgrade, don't worry about that.
Now he's got yours.
Yeah. No, I got it.
Another one.
This is I think it's still a soapy, but I fucking don't want to wrap around that other line there. It's hard to sort of tell what weight's on with this rod. I've got that other bloody line, I think. Hopefully. It's just hard to tell how big it is.
Yeah.
You're a pain in the arse to sort of lose it when it's a good fish. It's not though. It's still a soapy. It's fucking big. It's not a big one. It's getting there.
They're getting bigger.
Yeah. Well, hopefully, them live baits will attract a better one. I've definitely found them though. Beautiful. Righto, get a good one now. It'd be nice, wouldn't it? I think this is a better fish here. Oh, I just got to get over that rod. I think it went straight around that rod. I'm trying to get the old mate out the road a bit. He's taken off like a... No, so they're all the same size.
Yeah.
They're not getting any bigger. Not getting any bigger, but hopefully they will. It's like the same, exactly the same one I just caught. She's full. I don't know, not many people say this, but we're about to move because we're getting too many soapies. They're eating all our prawns, so I think we're going to shift. They just seem to be just under legal, the bloody little buggers like that. And we've gone through a heap of prawns. We've probably got about 30 of them. Little buggers. What I'm going to do is just send up a little bait, so I'm using today just these little buggers, and just a nice little fillet right to the end, and put a little as thin as you can at the end, get rid of that tail. Around the other way, pull that back through, another fillet right down. That one's just getting ready for the next bait to go out, so just have one sitting there ready to go. I like to get them right up so you're nice and thin, it's nice and flappy. Just get it into there, nice and flappy like that. Then the hook straight up through. I'll hook it up in a minute once I get rid of this next bait, and I'll show you how to hook it and we'll throw it out. Righto, so she's butterflied. Come back through the mouth now, just as you like. You wanted that hook sitting right up in there. What I do is try and have it straight as I can. That's how I like it, just as your plastics and that sit, so it's nice and flappy. That's a beautiful looking bait, so you swim nice and straight. And get him out there. This is the G-rig, so this is only on a swivel. I'll give it a look here, I'll have a bit of a failure. Undo this. Just on a nice little weight. T-piece, Real long leader. Done. Send her out there. Just bring her in here, matey. You'll be right. Oh, just trying. She's not a bad flooding. Don't do that, Dylan. She's not a bad little flatty, actually. Okay, you got him. You got him, Give it to him. That's a Jew. You beauty. I'll just get this rod in for you. She's a nice fish too. Just try and film it. Just film it. Yeah, she's a good fish. This one's about to go too.
Gonna get tangled in that
I'll
orange
get that out of the road. Okay?
Gonna get tangled in this orange one.
That's alright. I'll get it out the road for you. I'm just still trying to film while it's coming in. She's a nice fish. Got some weight about it?
Yeah, it's very dense.
Yeah, he's gonna know.
Run. Yeah, that was a good ride.
Huh? No, it's a fish.
Yeah.
Hope it is. It's not. It hasn't gone dead, has it?
It feels dead.
It's a fucking. No, it's
a fish. It'll take a run. Wait.
Oh, look at the size of this fucking
dog.
No way!
Look at the size of the gun.
It's the biggest
Fucking
pork eel. I'm gonna film it anyway. It's worth fucking filming this fucking thing. Holy fucking Jesus!
Look at the size of it.
Oh yeah, I'll get your hook back.
Really?
Yeah. Oh shit, yeah. You don't want to lose a hook for a pike eel. Let me get that. Half a kilo of prawns on soapies. We're going home. The bastards are everywhere. That's a wrap for us. We're heading home. We've done alright. We found some fish. For what the river's like, it's pretty dirty, so we've just searched around and found some clear water and end up freaking more soapies than we can count. Half a kilo of prawns on bloody soapies, so done alright. We've got a couple of flatties to feed the belly. That's about it. We'll wait, probably next week we'll come down when the tides are better and when they slow up, and then we'll come and fish this spot. Now we know where the fish are, and we're going to put a few traps in and get a few crabs too. Now we've worked a bit of a system out here. All good.